So when you upgrade or install CX9, one of the options is to install the web client. And the web client is a visual voicemail HTML5 based application. And you can use it for your subscribers to have basically visual voicemail. And remember, we now have usernames on our mailboxes. So you're going to have to sign in with a username and security code in order to use this and to use, say, Web Phone Manager. So the first thing you do is to go and configure this application. And the username is actually an administrator at this point. And you put in, of course, your server's address. So you get your choice here, what to use for encryption type mode, message cache manager if you happen to have one installed, your server display names, IP addresses, and tenant names. And you can put in logo images to customize your user's experience, as well as logon instruction and information. You can have a home page logo here. The application, the default would be the web client, time format, and then security code reset requests if you are going to have them enabled or configured in your system. I mean, once you're done that, you just press save. Notice I'm browsed right now to my system server, which is running this application. So now I can come back to the user Notice, make sure to use your new username. My login information will be seen up front. So you see, basically, I have my inbox, my saved messages, deleted messages, and then some settings that apply to my mailbox itself, where I want to listen to the messages, how I want the time format, desktop notifications, and then the ability to change my security code. To log out, of course, just simply press your icon and press log out.